everyone. How are you guys? It's been a little bit, so this month kind of went really fast, crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to come on live. We are going to be doing our unboxing for our May box. It is to one of my all-time favorite places on the planet. I fell in love with this place when we visited several years ago, and so much so that I would love to go there and spend the summer sometime. So hopefully, maybe one day I'll get to do that. Who knows? It's on my bucket list. I wanted to give you guys a few quick updates. I'm going to be loading some items onto the website that can be purchased. I have some signature blankets that I'm going to be putting on there. They are so incredibly soft, I can't even tell you guys. I actually took one when I was on a plane the last time, and oh my gosh, it was so soft, so warm, amazing. They're travel blankets. You can use them at home too, but I used mine as a travel blanket. It rolled up really nice and small, and it was amazing. So wanted to let you guys know that. And then there's going to be a couple more items going on there as well. I do still have a handful of the Savannah boxes from last month left over. You can also find those on the website. And I'm going to be taking pre-orders for the bottles, the wooden bottles that I was telling you guys about a couple weeks ago that I found in Greece when I was there. So there's going to be the 3 different sizes. So this is the large. I'm going to be putting these on, and this is the medium size, and this is the small. And these are all of the different options. So each size comes in one of these options. Now these are all handmade. They're hand carved, handmade, everything. The whole process is amazing. Now these would be really amazing like Father's Day gifts or graduation gifts, any kind of a gift. I'm also going to pair these with a beautiful olive oil. I haven't decided really what olive oil yet I'm going to put with these, but they will also come with an olive oil. So just wanted to let you guys know that. Those are going to be going up on the website very soon. I'm going to be doing pre-orders for these, and those will ship out. So if you get them for your fathers, for any of the fathers out there, if you want to get those for them, they will receive them before Father's Day. So just want to let you guys know that. I think that's all the updates I have. I'm kind of looking here to see what all I have. So those are kind of all the updates. And so let's get to the box opening. So like I said, this box, or this location was one of my favorite places on the planet. I absolutely love it here. And we went a really, really long time ago, and I fell in love with one town in particular. And so I am going to introduce to you, and I'm going to kind of do this so that those of you who have not seen what is in our boxes before, I want you to see everything that is going to be in them. And I keep looking at my son, you guys, because he's making faces at me on the other side of my computer. So, so if you see my funny faces, it's my son. He's making me laugh. So anyway, these are your boxes. They are $67 a month plus $9.95 flat rate shipping to anywhere in the United States. Currently, I am not shipping to Alaska or Hawaii, but I will absolutely be adding that at some point. So just wanted to let you guys know that. And you will get 4 to 6 items in each box that coincide with the theme of the month. So, without further ado, let's unbox our May box. So, when you open your box, you're going to see this, and everybody is going to get a little card here. And these cards, on the front of it, it's going to be just a little note from me telling you where the location is at. And then just a little note from me. And then on the back, it's going to tell you every single thing that is inside these boxes. There's also a QR code at the bottom, as you can see right there. And that QR code goes to a curated Spotify playlist that I put together for each of these boxes so that you will get the full experience. So with these boxes, they are supposed to surprise and delight your senses. So when you first open it up, you get the sense of sight. With the QR code, you get the hearing. Now, so on the inside of your box, now a lot of times some of these will be actually from the destination specifically. It could also be a color that represents the destination. So those are kind of some different little things here. So first item that we did, well, I guess I should probably tell you where we're going, huh? So we actually are going to the Provence region of France. Now, the town that we absolutely fell in love with was called Saint-Rémy-de-Provence, and it's in, obviously, the south of France. It is a beautiful, beautiful little town, and there's a lot of really cute towns around it as well. Les Baux is also another really cool town, and you actually walk up these steps, and there's no cars allowed, and you kind of just walk around the whole town. It's a really neat place as well. We found a really cute winery in and around this area. We also found an olive mill, which we did the tour for the olives, and it brought back some olive oil, and just walking around the little town, it just had all different kinds of little, my son is like distracting me, I'm so sorry. Anyway, you just walk around this little town, and it's just, the people are so nice, and it's beautiful, and it's amazing, and we stayed in this really cool hotel that had a garden that you would sit out and eat your breakfast, and it just, everything about this place was amazing. Everything about the whole south of France and the Provence region is incredible. So anyway, so first up is going to be a beautiful tea towel, and this one has a watercolor design, and it says Eau de Lavande, and I know I'm not pronouncing that right, so anybody who speaks French, I'm very sorry. Anyway, it translates into like a lavender perfume. So this is just a beautiful little flower sack tea towel to use. Our next item is herbes de Provence, which obviously you have to have when you are eating anything in Provence. This one is really wonderful. It smells delicious, and this actually will go with the recipe that I provide for you guys as well in this month's box. So I'll circle back around to this. The next item up will also go with your recipe. Now this one, there is going to be 3 little packets in here, and these are French gray sea salt. And this sea salt is amazing. Oh my gosh, it is so good. So you'll sprinkle this on the recipe as well. So you have tiny little packets of those to try out. Let's see. Next up, now I wasn't able to try these. I'm actually allergic to lavender, so I couldn't try these, but I had my husband try them, and he said they were really, really good. This is a local baker here in Arizona. She's a French chef, and her company is called Bonatarte. And I have to tell you guys, I got some other cookies that she made as well. These are cookies, little shortbread cookies. These are lemon lavender. So like I said, I was not able to try them. My husband tried them, and he said they are absolutely delicious. Now, if you buy one of the extra boxes, please know that these are fresh when they are in your box. So these are not going to be just stale cookies. So they will be fresh when it is sent out to you guys. I got to try some of her other cookies. They are amazing. She makes these tarts. Oh my gosh, if I could ship the tarts to you guys, I would have totally done that, because I had a chocolate raspberry one that was like seriously one of the best things I've ever had in my life. Anyway, these are so good. So that's one of your other items for your taste. We also, I thought you guys needed an extra item in here, and so I designed some cute little note cards for you guys. So this is my own personal design. I designed these for you, and they're just blank on the inside, and I provided envelopes with them as well. I don't know about you guys, but I love getting just little notes other than bills inside my mail. I don't know about you guys, but that's like one of my things that I absolutely love. And then last but not least of the main items. Now these are truly special. We brought these back with us when we were in Europe a couple months ago. They are handmade and handcrafted, and they're absolutely amazing. Now, in the Mediterranean region, olive wood is very, very popular. So inside this box, you guys are getting handcrafted olive wood salad servers. These are so beautiful. Every one of them is different because of the way the tree is, the way the bark is. Now, just so you know, with olive trees, you have to prune them so that they continue to produce. And most of the time, the wood is used for like firewood, but you can also use them for items like this. So there's, you know, you can do these. There's all different kinds of things. There's honey dippers, there's bowls, these beautiful bottles from my favorite vendor in Greece is made from olive wood as well. And so it's just a beautiful wood, and it's so unique. No piece is ever alike any others. So just wanted to let you guys know that. And then two last things. I had mentioned earlier, you also get a recipe card. So this one is the Provincial Tomato Salad, and you will use the herbes de Provence as well as the French gray sea salt with this recipe. It is a traditional recipe in the south of France, and it's just a light, wonderful summer recipe, so definitely check this out when you guys get your boxes. And I think most people probably already have their boxes. I think there's a couple that might not, so hopefully you guys will try this because it is really, really good. And then, of course, last but not least, is the postcards. And the postcards come like this. I make sure that they are protected so that nothing happens to them in transit. But I design a postcard every month for whatever destination that we're going to. So this was the one for Provence. And then on the back of each postcard is ways to experience the location. And at the very bottom is a QR code that's going to take you to my a personal Pinterest board that I have put together for you guys so that you can actually continue the journey once you finish your box. And hopefully you'll be able to consume everything in your box, and then you get to finish the journey with learning a little more about the country or the location that we're going to. And so yeah, so that is your box for May. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I want to give you a quick little sneak peek for June. Now, I did post this, but I'm going to show it to you guys again. This is just the color palette, okay? I'm really excited about this location. Another one of those locations that holds my heart. These are your colors. So we have a really pretty kind of a creamy linen color, a metallic gold, kind of a rust red, and then like a sky or ocean blue, and then this beautiful yellow color. So those are your colors for next month's box. I am super, super excited about next month's box. And also, you are going to be getting 2 recipes next month because it's one of my favorite meals. I make it all the time. Well, not all the time, but I've made it a lot. I've made it for guests when they come to our house to visit, and it's just a really good meal. So you guys are going to be getting both of those recipes as well. So I hope that you have enjoyed this unboxing of the Provence region of France. Like I said, I do have a handful of them left. I think I have maybe 13 or 14, maybe 15, I don't remember exactly, but those will be going up on the website either later tonight or tomorrow. So you can purchase those as a one-time gift for someone or for yourself. And if you want to get in on the subscriptions, you will need to subscribe before midnight on June 1st to get the June box. So anytime between now and midnight on June 1st, you will get the June box. If you sign up on June 2nd at like 12:01 a.m., you will get the July box. So just wanted to let you guys know that. The one-time boxes are a little more expensive just because if you're a subscriber, you will save money on them. So if you buy it as a one-time box, it is $73 plus the flat rate of $9.95 shipping. The subscription price is the $67. plus the $9.95 shipping. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your weekend. Have a wonderful and safe Memorial Day tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys soon. I hope you all take care. Take care. Bye-bye.